Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webflow as a freelancer. Webflow is a powerful visual development platform that empowers designers to build custom, responsive websites without writing a single line of code. This means you can deliver stunning, professional projects efficiently. We'll cover everything from setting up your freelance business to attracting clients and managing projects, ensuring you have all the tools to succeed in the competitive freelance market. To begin your freelance journey, first build an impressive portfolio featuring at least 3 to 5 diverse Webflow projects. Clearly define your niche, whether it's e-commerce or marketing sites, to attract ideal clients. Research market rates to set competitive pricing for your services, perhaps offering packages starting at $1,500. Leverage Webflow's built-in tools for client billing and efficient project management to streamline your operations. Attracting clients is crucial for any freelancer. Actively showcase your Webflow projects on platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram, posting at least 3 times a week. Network with fellow designers and potential clients at industry events or online forums. Consider offering a free 30-minute consultation to prospective clients to discuss their needs. Additionally, create blog posts or video tutorials demonstrating Webflow's capabilities, establishing yourself as an expert. Efficient project delivery ensures client satisfaction and repeat business. Utilize Webflow's collaboration features, allowing up to 10 team members to work seamlessly. Maintain transparent communication, providing weekly updates on project progress. Upon completion, offer a 1-hour training session to clients, empowering them to manage their new site. Finally, consider offering ongoing maintenance and support packages, perhaps starting at $100 per month, to provide continued value and a steady income stream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.